Hey guys, this is Thomas from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to make your images private on Facebook app. Would you like to make some of your images private so that only you could see them on Facebook? Just follow these steps and you will be able to do it. Open Facebook app on your mobile and log into your profile if you can't already done that. Proceed to your profile page by clicking on your profile picture at the upper left corner. Scroll down and find the image which you would like to make private. Click on three dot icon at the top right corner of that image. Now select Edit Privacy from the menu. Select Only Me, and from now on this image will only be visible to you and not for others. That's it for this video. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to make your images private on Facebook app. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.